Stop on request.
Okay. I think I got like 2 hours of sleep last night. Maybe like one, but I barely slept, that's for sure. I decided to come to Lauterbrunnen right when I landed, so I drove 2 hours here and then I pretty much took a little train up to Vangen, and that was like a 10-minute train ride up to a little mountain town. I have a Zoom call in like 20 minutes, so I think I'm just gonna do the Zoom call here. Yeah, so at least I'm kind of being responsible. But we'll see where the day leads. I have no idea how I'm surviving right now. I just got to my Airbnb. I just walked so much on little to no sleep and then attended my meeting, and now I have another meeting. My eye is like twitching. Can you see that? Oh my god. It's so bad. After I get ready, eat food, do my little phone call, then I am passing out, and then hopefully I'll be good to go tomorrow. Hello. I feel like a little gnome by the river right now because I've just been collecting rocks and just, I don't know, feeling like a little hobbit. It is so beautiful out today. It's kind of chilly, but I don't mind it. This is the first time in like years that I have just let my hair kind of go. I was feeling really confident, and I don't know, my hair has always been like an insecurity of mine, weirdly. So I feel like the Switzerland water just makes your hair feel so good. So good. I like to believe that. I'm hoping the weather stays nice today. I'm really hoping so, but it's okay if not. Whoa, that sun is really hitting me right now, but I am just going to be continuing to be a gnome by the river, and that is going to be my life for a majority of the next hour. think this will be good for tomorrow. It's been a minute since I've been able to check in. Yeah, I pretty much from the moment that I got to the hotel, I had stuff to do. Like I immediately had to shower and get ready and just get my shit together because I didn't want to do it tonight. I've been dealing with endometriosis, and if you know what that is, it is not fun. It's just me in a lot of pain. Yeah, it was really hard for me to walk earlier today, and I've just been in a lot of pain, but I deal with it because that's just what I've had to do for most of my life. So, and then when after I got ready and everything, I drove to the pharmacy and then immediately meet my friend Mel, who is from Germany, and we've been Instagram friends for a really long time, and we finally met in person tonight, so that was exciting. I'm super excited because in the morning we are going to Alpe d'Huez and we're taking some photos, and I'm super excited because she's also a photographer, and it's really rare to find people that you like click with right off the bat, especially with creativity. And yeah, I'm just super excited for this bed more than anything, to sleep in it. It's just been a lot of running around today, so I'm just gonna take it easy and prepare for everything tomorrow. Oh wow. Oh my god. Usually protein bars are like really gross and chalky, and I guess you consider this chalky. I guess protein bars are always kind of like that, but this is really good. I just went on about a 10-minute walk to get some snacks, water and stuff, and I was winded just from 10 minutes of going to the grocery store. My endometriosis is kind of kicking my ass right now, and it's really, really hard to move. I feel very out of breath and like I'm gonna pass out. That usually happens within like the first or second day, but I don't know, I don't want to overdo it because last time I did that, I was doing a hike in Guatemala, and it was the volcano hike, and I've never experienced so much pain in my life, and I'm kind of traumatized from that. Like, it was actually insane. It varies all the time, and unfortunately it just really sucks, but you know, I have to make the decision. My health comes first, and that's just how it is, and I would rather be comfortable and happy and not ruin the trip by, you know, making a horrible decision. I'm still gonna rest up and see if anything changes. I found this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place to just relax and paint. And I couldn't think of a more beautiful place to be right now. Yeah, there's like no one here, no foot traffic, nothing. So I decided to pull over on the side of the road and I found this beautiful place, and man, this is something that makes me so excited for like when I solo travel, because I just want some peace and quiet, especially when I'm solo traveling, and this is exactly what I was thinking of when I was thinking of relaxing. So I just don't want to leave, but today's my last day, and I have a 2-hour drive back to Switzerland. I'm in Austria right now, and I decided to just cross the border because it's so easy here. Everything is so close. So yeah, I am just gonna pack up because I feel rain and I didn't get to finish my painting, but oh well. So I'm just gonna make the trek back to Switzerland. Can't forget you guys. I went into this trip without a solid plan and zero to little expectation. All I wanted was to be surrounded by nature and culture, figure things out along the way, and trust myself to just go for it. Each time I do a solo trip, I learn to love something else about myself that I never expected I was capable of. I guess what I mean to say is learn to trust yourself, be open to life and the universe. It always knows what it's doing.